Hello everyone. Today we will take a closer look at case study about Starbucks through the lens of operational management. Starbucks has always been more than a coffee company. It's a system built around consistency, atmosphere, and the third place between home and work. But today the system is under serious pressure. Operations have changed faster than the stores themselves. So, if we look at Starbucks through the four V's of operations, we can see exactly where things are breaking down. Volume has exploded as most customers order through mobile apps and drive-throughs, and variety keeps growing, which endless drink customization that slow the process. Variation is unpredictable. Morning holidays and promotions bring sudden spikes in demand, and visibility is higher than ever. Every delay is seen and shared both in store and online. Together, this forced a stretch a system that we never designed for this level of complexity. Starbucks process was built for calm, steady cafe service, but now it's overloaded by digital demand. A brand once known for smooth service is now facing a long queue, frequent errors, and tired baristas. We look deeper. Now, what's really wrong? Three main operational problems stand out. First, process overload. Stories were designed for sit-down customers, but demand has shifted to mobile and drive-through orders. Baristas now juggle multiple order streams in shop, app, and delivery, often using systems that don't connect. And under the four V's, the process simply can't keep up. So what used to become a cafe service now feels like a fast food rush, leading to delays, queue, and more mistakes. Second, human strain. When process break, people absorb the pressure. Baristas face unpredictable shifts, emotional fatigue, and little control over their work. And over 250 stores have unionized, not because of branding issue, but because the system itself makes their jobs harder. Attempt to fix quality by slowing multitasking. Only made work slower and more frustrating. Third, system misfit. We can say that globally Starbucks is caught between rising cost, inflation, and heavy bet on China. Competitors like McDonald's and Dunkin's have streamlined, but Starbucks will runs on a fragmented system of technologies and ownership models that don't align. So the takeaway is simple. Starbucks operational model no longer fits its world. The process, the people, and the system have fallen out of sync, and that's the real challenge behind the brand.
This is Amir. Today I'm breaking down four smart way Starbucks could fix its biggest operational problem. Let's keep it to simple. Starbucks isn't just about coffee. Definitely about how the whole system works. And right now, the system is under pressure. So here we have four bold options they could take. Option one, empower the baristas. Baristas aren't just making drink, they are engaging the customer experience. Starbucks should train them to understand the full process, not just single takes. Give them flexible schedule and short daily ritual to build teamwork and reduce stress. Why does this matter? Because happy, skilled baristas mean faster, more consistent service. It's first lane thinking, solving problem at the source, and human-centered design, which builds system around real people. Yes, it costs more at the first, but it reduces turnover and improve morale. In fact, Starbucks Green Apron program boosts satisfaction by 15% in test stores. Second option, redesign these stores. Most Starbucks store were built for sit-down customer, but today most orders come from mobile, drive-through, or delivery. So the layout needs to change. They should add pickup counters, double drive-through lanes, and unify their tech system across all store. This match the four V's model: high volume, high variety, and lots of variation and full visibility. It's expensive to remodel, but it makes service faster and more reliable. Just look at their Amazon Go stores in New York, fully digital and 40% faster. The third option, align the global system. Starbucks runs thousands of stores worldwide, but many use different systems that creates confusion and weak coordination. They should connect all store data into one shared system, even licensed stores. This helps predict demand, schedule staff, and plain inventory. In China, they could use joint inventory to reduce risk. It's hard to coordinate globally, but it builds consistency and resilience. McDonald's already does this. With one global data system, Starbucks could do that same. Option 4, manage inflation smarter. Inflation is driving up costs. Starbucks can't just raise price, customers will walk away. Instead, they should source ingredients locally, simplify menu, and automate prep steps. This lifts lean operation. Doing more with less, it takes investment, but it protects profit. Pret A Manager did this in Europe. They cut menu size and improved margins without hurting quality. Final takeaway: Starbucks doesn't need a new flavor, it needs a new formula. Empower the people, redesign the store, unify the system, handle costs smarter. Together, these moves rebuild the process, protect the people, and take Starbucks fit today's reality.
Hi, this is Bhautik, and I'm going to break down the strategic reflection. So, what Starbucks should they do? So, recommendation: build a two-speed operating model supported by strong staff system. One lane for the fast digital order and one lane for the store cafe experience. Serve the both speed and connection, but through the separate part. In the land of fast digital orders, we can use drive through mobile delivery, uh, like just like a MACD. So they are working very well on this module. And why this matters: store try to do everything at once and fail at both. Fix the main bottleneck and human problem together. Based on the lean service and flow design, it makes simple, fast, and the stable work.
Now, here's how the plan turns into action. First, test new layouts in busy stores, one lane for digital orders and one for in store. Second, redesign barista roles into digital barista and hospitality lead. Third, improve scheduling and training so team match real demand. And finally, roll out the same model across all partner and licensed stores. But one rule is key. Don't chase growth before fixing operations. Expanding broken system just makes problems bigger. Within a year, we expect faster service, fewer mistakes, lower burnout, consistent systems, and higher profit per drink. In short, smoother flow for customers and more supportive, stronger workplace for partners.
Starbucks into a factory. It's about to creating two smoother paths for the both different kind of customers. Each experience get better when turned into the rhythm. Now we are going to uh, take a look of diagram which is based on Starbucks strategic focus flow. So this diagram shows the Starbucks recommended strategic focus. The base represent operation efficiency through digital delivery improvement, which is reduce the cost and speed up service. The middle layer emphasizes customer experience and differentiates why premium product like Starbucks Reserve and local sourcing the top. And if we are going to talk about the last layer, the represents sustainable growth and brand loyalty, which is achieved when efficiency and differentiation re- reinforce each other. Thank you so much.